Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. For latest update on employment opportunity, please subscribe our channel.
Postdoc fellowship positions at Manipal Academy of Higher Education, that institutes of eminence deemed to be university. Area of specialization are in engineering, cyber physical system, sensor hybridization, sensor data function, and the desirable components are knowledge of computation tools like MATLAB and LabVIEW. Then second field is composite materials. Then third is machine learning approach for detection of malignancy from histopathological images. The next field is bioinformatics, system biology, metabolic flux balance analysis. Then next is elucidative study of theta functions. Then supercapacitor, electrocatalysis for hydrogen and oxygen evolution system. For that bioinformatic part, well versed with Cytoscape, Cell Designer, Cobra Toolbox, CellNet Analyzer, MATLAB, Metabolic Network Modeling, and Reconstruction Toolkits. And for elucidative study of theta function, knowledge on modular equation, theta function, co-identities, continued fraction, partition theory, Einstein series, convolution sums, and hypergeometric function. The next field is carbon dioxide conversion to renewable fuels. For that part, knowledge of CFD and TRNSys is compulsory. The next field is health science. In health science, healthcare associated infection and emergence of MDR in neonates. In diagnosis, TB LAM test in tuberculosis. For that, knowledge about the TB disease and its diagnostic challenges. Then in pharmaceutical sciences, drug designing using computational tools and know how to Mistro and Discovery Studio. Then nanotechnology based target drug delivery for breast, colon and lung cancer. For that part, knowledge of computational tools for formulation design and development aimed at excipient selection and stability assessment, well versed in analytical characterization techniques such as HPLC, thermal analysis, XRD, FTIR, NMR, etc. Then ocular drug delivery system, transdermal drug delivery system, oral drug delivery system. For that case, hands-on experience with the statistical software and software used in the formulation development. Then next field is neurobiological and cancer screening method for drug evaluation. And the next field is allied health sciences, virtual food for early prediction and prevention of diabetic foot ulceration. Then atomic and molecular physics. For that, sensing application using 2D material. For life sciences, that is in aging research, and they are giving good amount of fellowship, rupees 70,000 per month, contingency part 1, that is per annum toward attending the professional conferences, presentation and publication charges, and the contingency part 2 will cover per annum toward the procurement of chemicals, reagents and equipments, etc. Then eligibility is PhD from institutes in India or abroad other than Manipal Academy of Higher Education and its constituent units. Experience 1 year postdoc post PhD experience in relevant area from university or institutes of repute. Age limit is 35 years. Publications are at least 2 papers in top 10 percentile of journal based on site score in 2 years preceding the application. And duration of fellowship is 1 year, extendable for further 1 year subject to the satisfactory performance of the fellow. Eligible candidate may apply with a detailed CV including copy of certificate in support of qualification, experience, list of publication, research activities with a subject line PDF, title of the area to Director of Research, Manipal Academy of Higher Education,